Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another design team project and I am doing the recipes theme. I started with the recipes themed memdex file box, and then we had the clear acrylic version of these memdex file dividers that I have today. So this is the chipboard version. And then you saw the, like I said, you saw the acrylic version. And look at how these are very substantial. They're large. These are the same size as the other ones. I am going to probably butcher this, but the charcuterie board, as you can see, is 5.5 inches long by the, it's just under a typical size. So we are about, we are 3.25 on this one. So 3.25 by 5.5. This one's 4 by 4. And the apron is 3.75 by, oh my gosh, 6.75, or 6 7/8, something like that. Or no, 5 7/8, almost 5 3, about 5.75, but it could be. So there's a lot of room to work with for some embellishing and having some crafty fun with. So today I'm going to continue with some mixed media. I have some of my elements out here that I might be working with this at some point. I have my metallics out. I am loving this apple green acrylic paint lately. I bought these in a set. Whoops. There's a whole lot of mess happening around here because of the crafting. That's all I gotta say. Whole lot of mess happening. Actually not as bad as it was. I have been kind of organizing, so reorganizing. And then I have this beige color here, and I might work with some sand yellow. I might use some green sea. And they were a pastel set, and then I got a small set of brights. I might get into those. Whoops, sorry for tapping the screen. And then I will be using some clear gesso, having some fun with this. I have my 3D matte gel if I feel like working with that. The whole idea with when you're working with the acrylic is you really don't want to introduce a whole lot of heat because you take a chance of warping, melting, doing something that you don't necessarily want to do. So these matte gels pop everything up. They don't soak your wet product. There's really something cool about working with these. And then the gesso is just a really clear, like, I think it's more like a paint. It is a medium, and you can do some other things with that if you want to opaque something. I think I've definitely been watching the mixed media artists. I might even use some of this foundry wax. I have a couple of colors of that. So I have a whole arsenal of fun things to work with, some dyes and stuff. So, and then I want to use, again, I want to work with this particular stencil. All right. So if you would like to continue, I will get into crafting, and I hope you will follow along. See you in a bit.
day began. The energy in the air, everything brightened up. With a smile on my face, I'll celebrate every moment. I want to appreciate the beats of the sound, make me vibrate. With joy in my heart, I'll dance and celebrate. Let happiness guide me through. In the rhythm of life, we'll enjoy the view. Today is a happy day, let's make the most. In the beat of the sound, let's raise a toast. With friends by our side, we'll dance around. In the rhythm of life, our joy will abound. Today is a happy day, let's make the most. In the beat of the sound, let's raise a toast. With friends by our side, we'll dance around. In the rhythm of life, our joy will abound. Every second brings a new emotion. Feel the music, it's my devotion. Going, glowing, I feel so free. Every note plays pure ecstasy. The beats of the sound make me vibrate. With joy in my heart, I'll dance and celebrate. Let happiness guide me through. In the rhythm of life, we'll enjoy the view. Today's a happy day, let's make the most. In the beat of the sound, let's raise a toast. With friends by our side, we'll dance around. In the rhythm of life, our joy will abound.